Hello dear, welcome to Global Food Book YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome, but please don't make it your last. And for my returning subscribers, you are the real warriors. Thank you so much for all your support and I wish you the very best. In this video, join me as I share with you the best and easiest way of processing corn into corn pap. So sit back, relax and watch. Basically, I started off by sorting the corn. And then I went ahead to wash the corn thoroughly. I then first soaked the corn in clean water for 3 days. Rinsed it and continued soaking for another 3 days. Soaking the corn for this long time is entirely optional, as you can just soak for 2 or 3 days. The reason I soaked it this long is to allow the corn to ferment so as to get some probiotics and some sort of sour taste. But as I previously mentioned, this is totally optional. So after the 6th day, I went ahead to wash the corn again. Afterwards, I blended the corn until smooth. And this is the look of the blended corn, okay? Now the next step is to tie a pan with a sieve cloth. Just so you know that you have to carefully tie the pan in such a way that it will be convenient for you to remove the sieve cloth without spilling the content of the pan after sifting. And because my pan doesn't have a flat base, I had to place it on a flat pot just to get it properly balanced. Then I started sifting the corn, and I must tell you that this stage is where the major work lies. Yeah, a lot of people dread this part, but unfortunately it is unavoidable if you really want the best outcome. Remember to add a little bit of water intermittently while sieving until only the corn chaff remains, which need to be put aside. The chaff can be used for making fufu, dried and ground into flour, or fed to animals. So it's a win-win. So go ahead and sift the corn until done. Once done with sieving, I carefully detach the sieve cloth from the pan. Then allowed the sifted corn to stand for 2 to 3 hours. This is to allow the corn residue to settle at the bottom of the pan. Afterwards, I carefully decanted the water, leaving only the residue behind. I then pour the corn pap into a muslin bag. I squeezed out as much water as I could possibly squeeze. Before placing a hard object on top of it. I left it like this for approximately 3 hours just to allow the water to keep draining. And this is the final look of the corn pap. Yes, we now have some freshly made corn pap. So tell me, do you think this corn pap was easy to process? Let us hear your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for sticking around to watch me process this corn pap, and I hope you will find the other videos on my channel helpful. In case you want to know how to convert this raw processed corn into an edible cooked pap, check out the video on my channel. Wishing you the best. Please feel free to give this video a thumbs up and share it with others. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Thank you so much as you do so.